In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily log into your Wix account. Whether you're new to Wix or just need a quick refresher, this guide will help you get started swiftly. Let's dive right into it. To begin with, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you are comfortable with on your device. Once your browser is open, head to the address bar at the top. Type in the word Wix and press Enter. This should lead you to the Wix homepage, which is the first step in accessing your account. Now that you're on the Wix homepage, you'll notice various ways to log in. Wix is designed to provide flexibility and ease, so you have multiple options for logging in. You can use your email address, which would be the email you've registered with Wix in the past. Alternatively, if you prefer, you could log in using a Google account. For those heavily integrated with Apple, there's also the option to use your Apple ID. Lastly, if you're someone who predominantly uses Facebook, you can log in using your Facebook account as well. Simply choose the login option that best suits you. Once you've selected your preferred login method and entered the necessary credentials, click on the Login button. At this point, the system will authenticate your details and direct you to your Wix dashboard. If it's your first time logging in, you might be asked to grant certain permissions, especially if you're using social media accounts. Don't worry, just follow the prompts and you'll be set up in no time. After logging in successfully, you'll arrive at the Wix dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage your existing websites. Here, you can make changes, update content, and monitor visitor analytics. If you're just starting, you have the option to create a new website altogether right from this dashboard. It's designed to be user-friendly, offering all the tools you'll need to unleash your creativity and run a successful site. Remember, having easy access to your dashboard is key for efficiently managing your website. So, if you face any login issues, double-check your credentials or explore the options for password recovery or account support that Wix provides. That way, you'll always have swift access to bring your digital ideas to life. And there you have it. Logging into Wix really is that simple and fast. With just these few straightforward steps, you can get started on your website or return to enhance the one you already have. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes your Wix experience even more seamless.